In this video, I'll show you how to set Zoom to record separate audio files for each participant. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So, the reason for doing separate recordings for each participant is so that you can probably do some post-production later on. That is, let's say you are doing a podcast interview via Zoom, but you want to be able to single out every individual or participant. That is when you're editing. So it's pretty simple, and I've already launched a Zoom meeting that is not going on. I've not invited anyone, but I just want to show you how to do the settings, and once you save them, they'll be available throughout. So I'm inside here, and this is the view we have. So when you see the option to start a video here, just click on the arrow pointing up, click on that, choose video settings, and once you choose video settings, you'll probably see the video that you're using, that is the camera that you're using, and you can select the different cameras that you want. But what we need to do in this video, we need to set the audio recordings. So you'll need to go to recordings, and once you're inside recordings, you'll see where the local recording is saved. You can change that. Then you'll see how much space you have in that particular drive. And then you can choose a location for recorded files. When meeting ends, you can record a separate audio file for each participant. And if you hover over the question mark, it indicates that support the first 80 speakers audio files. The audio of users who joined by phone will be merged into one audio file. So you need to take a note of that. But having this feature is a really awesome thing. I wish they also had the option to record separate video file for each participant, and this is available in applications like Riverside.fm. So click on this, and once you click on that, that is the most important thing you need to do in this particular section here. But you can leave everything else as it is. And once you close this, if you run your meeting or interview via Zoom, all the individual recordings, that is the audio recordings, will be saved as separate files. Therefore, you can edit the files, making sure that if there was any crosstalk, then the crosstalk can be minimized. If somebody coughed on the other side, it makes it easier to edit that kind of content. So that's how you can set Zoom to record separate audio tracks for each participant. I hope this tutorial has been of value to you. Thanks for watching.